This is Vance Chemistry Urdu channel, and organic chemistry BSc classes and lecture is given by Shanza Asif Vance. Today's topic is ethyl acetoacetate ester, its preparation and synthesis. Third synthesis of malonic ester is synthesis of cycloalkane carboxylic acid. And name of this method is Perkin. In previous lecture we have discussed about two synthesis of substituted carboxylic acid and synthesis of dicarboxylic acid. Now we are discussing about its reaction, malonic ester. That is malonic ester. When base is added in it, it will remove that alpha hydrogen. And this will having negative charge. Now what's happened? Diiodo reactant is taken. You can see that now iodide ion is removed and what is formed? COOET ester, second ester, and here is attached diiodo, and that will remove this hydrogen, this proton, and what's happened? This is positively charged, this is negatively charged, and that negative will attack on this, and ring is closed. Now what's happened? What product is formed? ring is closed, but here are two ester group. Two ester group. First hydrolysis take place. First basic hydrolysis. Anion is produced of carboxylate, then acid is added, and we will obtain two acid group on same carbon. This is unstable and it eliminates one of carbon dioxide, and we will obtain cyclobutyl carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid.